If you are wondering if you can expect heating issues or overheating on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then the answer is no, not really. Kind of, but not really. And what I mean by that is that Pixel 10 series actually doesn't have that overheating issue that you could expect or experience on some previous models of Google Pixel, such as Pixel 8 or 9. This time, Google definitely made some improvements. The phone is not unbearably hot, or as hot at least as previous models. Of course, the phone can still get warm, especially if you do tasks that are demanding for the phone, such as, for example, constantly using the camera, playing games, and so on and so forth, or, you know, performing benchmarks and such. So, of course, these things will definitely make your phone hotter, but it shouldn't be as bad as on previous models. So, based on my own experience, I can say that it's definitely not overheating. It still can get a little bit warm, but it is just, it's nothing like something that you cannot really stand, that you cannot hold the phone or something like that. It is just okay, it's manageable. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.